I'm so hungry.
Yummy snacks for sale! Snacks for sale!
Snacks? Hi!
Hi, how can I help you?
Can I have some snacks?
Sure, what would you like?
Can I have these?
Just put your coin in and press the button, please.
Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye.
Ooh, I'm so hungry. I need to go find a snack.
Yummy snacks for sale! Snacks for sale!
Oh, there's a vending machine over there with snacks. Let's go. Hi.
Hi, how can I help you?
Can I have some snacks, please?
Sure, what would you like?
Can I have the chips, please?
Just put your coin in and press the button, please.
Thanks, bye.
You're welcome. Bye.
Hulk has a vending machine? I'll wait till he leaves and then I'll go take all of his stuff.
I'm gonna take a little break, guys. I'll be right back.
Ooh, he's leaving, guys. This is my chance to go take all his stuff. Time to do some shopping. Oh, no! Thanks for all the free goodies, Hulk.
Where'd all my stuff go? I know what to do. Hi, can you help me? Someone stole all my food. Okay, bye.
This looks like a good spot to enjoy my snacks.
Luckily, it's Thanos who took all the snacks. Let's go sneak up on him.
Okay.
You took all my stuff. Give it back.
You caught me this time, but I'll get you guys next time.
Oh, Leah, he's gone. At least we got our snacks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.